Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone, the honorable advisor, examiner, and all audience. Thanks for coming to my research proposal seminar today. First, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Sri Pujati with students registration number 2119016. In this good opportunity, I'm going to present my research proposal seminar with the title The Effect of Example Non-Example Model Toward Students' Vocabulary Mastery at the 11th grade students of SMP Negeri Air Lesing. Now, let me start with chapter 1. Introduction. A. Background. Based on the researcher observation in SMP Negeri Air Lesing, the researcher found many problems that the students are less in vocabulary mastery. The students not understand when the teacher explain the material by using English in the class, and the students not understand what the meaning of the word, and the student difficult to pronounce the word correctly. B. Scope of research. The scope of this research will focus on the effect of example non-example model towards students' vocabulary mastery, while the object of this research at the 11th grade of students of SMP Negeri Air Lesing. C. Formulation of research. The formulation of this research is there any effect of example non-example model toward students' vocabulary mastery at the 11th grade students of SMP Negeri Air Lesing? Next, the objective of research. The objective of research is to find out the effect of example non-example model towards students' vocabulary mastery at the 11th grade of SMP Negeri Air Lesing. Next, E. Significances of research. The significances of this research are: first, theoretically. This research expects to develop this model in teaching vocabulary anytime needed, and this concept of example non-example model may help not only for the teacher but also for the learner's language. Second is practically. For the students, this research expect to be able to help the students to master vocabulary in learning English. Next, practically for the teacher, this research expect to be able to help the teacher to introduce this concept of example non-example model to teaching vocabulary in the classroom. This concept may help the students to master vocabulary in learning language, especially in English. Next, chapter 2, literature review. First, theoretical description. The definition of example non-example. According to Huda 2014, example non-example is a learning strategy that use image as a medium to deliver learning material. So, with this strategy, the students can analyze the picture mean into a brief description of what is the picture. And number 2 is definition of vocabulary. According to Hilbert and Camille, 2005, vocabulary is knowledge of meaning of word. So, based on the explanation, vocabulary is a collection of words that a person knows. It is an important important component of speaking ability. Without vocabulary, students will not be able to understand the reading, listening, speaking, and writing. There are two kinds of vocabulary. First, receptive vocabulary. Receptive vocabulary is that's a set of a set of words for which an individual can assign the meaning when listening or reading. And the second is productive vocabulary. Productive vocabulary is the set of words that an individual can use when writing or speaking. Next is related previous review. The research was doing by Tawali with the title The Effect of Example and Example Model Towards Students' Vocabulary Mastery at the First Grade Students of SMA Negeri 4 Mataram. The differences between this research and Tawali's research are: first place, this research will conduct at SMP Negeri Air Lesing, and Tawali's research was conduct at SMA Negeri 4 Mataram. Second is sample. This research will use the 11th grade students of SMP Negeri Air Lesing as the sample, and Tawali's research was used the first grade of SMA Negeri 4 Mataram as a sample. And next is the similarities of this research. Both this research and Tawali's research use experimental method, and the second, both this research and Tawali's research use example and example model in teaching English vocabulary. Next, chapter 3, research method. A. Research design. The researcher will be used quantitative method, experimental research. The types of experimental method is non-equivalent control group, which use pre-test and post-test. B. Population and sample. Population in this research is the 11th grade students of SMP Negeri Air Lesing, and the sample of this research is class 7A and 7B. 7A as class control and 7B as class experiment. C. Technique to collecting the data. The technique that the researcher will be used in this research is multiple choice test, consists of 20 questions. D. Technique to analyzing the data. The data will be analyzed by using person product moment. And next is accountability of the research. In this research, the researcher will use validity and reliability test. Okay, I think that's all my explanation about the effect of example and example model towards students' vocabulary mastery at the 11th grade students of SMP Negeri Air Lesing. The last, I say thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.